Open the AWS console in the browser. Then click to create an account. Enter your account details, your email address, AWS account name, then verify email address. Then enter the verification code you have received in your mail. Then create a strong root user password. Password must contain the unique number and confirm the password again. Step first. Details. Choose account plan, free tier and paid tier. We will choose free plan. So enter the contact information like full name, phone number, country code, country address. Then click agree and continue for the next step. We will fill the form for billing information like a country, and we choose UPI. It will be deduct 2 rupees from your account. It will be refundable. Details and complete the UPI transaction. The authentication is successful. The next step is identity confirmation. So we first select the country, then we provide the types of organization or ownership, then we select the document type like Aadhaar card, PAN card or driving license. Fill the all details like date of birth, name, ID number, and upload the ID image. And click the continue. So we go to next step for phone number verification. Click to send SMS. So you have received an SMS on your phone number. So enter the verification code. Here your account has been successfully created and you can now use that console. Thank you for watching.